I'd say he's excited. Fast as I can. Ready? Go.
Doing it while you're fired.
So we dumped out the studs, as you guys saw in that like slow-mo right there. Hunter's got the helmet on. Ethan's vlogging. He gave me the idea to vlog, pick it up. Also, I got my hat with the first order troops on there. So hope it's in focus. I can't see, but yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, we also moved the table right here, so I can start working on the mock finally. And yeah, just work on getting figures and everything.
Seeing if it's better than his trees.
Get everything set up too. They're destroying a fake first order trooper. Very weak, as you can see.
Screw you, fake Lego. It's kind of funny.
This is the second fake Lego we've destroyed.
Is it really?
Yeah, we destroyed a 2x4 yesterday.
I don't know. I kind of like Mitsubishi.
You can see how shiny it is and how cheap it just looks.
I'm not gonna lie, this is the funniest part.
Yeah.
On the mask? Oh shoot. It's cool because like it looked like it was ding lifted.
So right now we got Ethan live.
Oh, sorry.
He's live streaming, you know, using my hotspot.
Wait, what are you doing? Okay, so Lee's vlogging. Lee's vlogging over here.
Got that headset.
He's trying to follow me. I'm live, dude.
Alright, might as well show all the mocks. We got
But I'm not gonna be the whole time.
Anthony's Ren Stronghold.
Hopefully. I doubt.
His,
But there's always people.
There's always people.
And
This Hobbit thing.
last year.
And here we got Ethan again. We have Chris's Theed, which is complete. It's not complete. No, even it's not complete. Oh. And then we got Ben's Bricks. Working on his TIE Fighter, destroyed TIE Fighter thing.
Hey, Lee, I'm gonna take the leaves
Okay.
off that guy.
I'm gonna take the leaves back with the guy. He got some leaves for his mock from the guy who's building Endor over there. And we got Ethan's Endor over here. He's having a bit of a problem with the trees. Some of his unfinished mocks by Ethan. He's Qui-Gon's Funeral, AAT, this EN Wing Starfighter. And we got Hunter's mock just turning out really cool. So with the foliage and everything. We got my mocks, as you've seen many times before. And back over here we have Anthony's Battle of Scarif. Really cool. Be sure to see all the channels will be in the description, and you know, check out his video on that. We got his Phasma versus Finn from Lost Jedi, and then we got Battle on Mustafar and then the Death Star conference. That's it for right now. We got a big book thing. I don't know. So it's been a while since I last recorded, but yeah, nothing's changed over here. But I'm using these pab cups to hold up the dome, and this is really sketchy, as you can see. But it's not even attached; it's just sitting there. But yeah, I got Hunter and we got Anthony. But I'm almost done. I'm kind of out of parts here, but
Yeah,
hopefully I can kind of get it complete.
That's fun.
Yeah, minifig swap is happening in a few minutes, so I'm gonna head over there with my minifigures. So yeah, see you guys there. So here is the minifig swap. There's not many other people doing it, but yeah, I got a few of these light bricks, these red light bricks. I got 6 of these for like a Christmas figures, magic calendar, so that's pretty cool. And business trading.
I'll still hold on to it.
So I just spent like $100 at CAC, which I'm gonna hopefully make back at the yard sale. Basically, here I got all my figures. These are like a $25 fig now, maybe more. I got all the capes and the helmets and the backpack from CAC. This is really cool. So, and then I got I'm assembling my specialist here. I need to get some more helmets, visors and everything. And yeah, Hunter's talking here, and I can't film.
Listen to old music, watch old movies. And right when I heard your name, I was like,
anyway,
I instantly thought.
Yep. Oh, I also got my hat here. I haven't filmed a lot today, but yeah, I got my hat, as you can see. And it's like all my first order stormtroopers right there. And I got this for retail price, $10. This is like $30 on Bricklink. Oh, straps in the way. But it's sealed. It has the phase 2 in there, so yeah, I'm gonna open this up and maybe open it up. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, feed is still there. I stand still, but hopefully I can get it somewhat complete. So we just did this wipeout thing. It was so much fun.
Dude, are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Hey, bro. Hey, bros.
Anything to say?
Hey.
And my 10% of female audience.
Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen, whoever's watching. Yeah, about to get some Subway.
Yeah, we're gonna go get some Subway here in a minute. Everybody's basically what?
We're going to Subway?
Yeah, we're going with you guys.
Hey, let me come on mom real quick.
Okay, we're going to Subway.
I legit don't even how much money I have left now. I got
Subway.
So basically, I have.
Hunter's counting his money.
No, wait, don't flash out.
I was about to start a rap, but I won't go there.
What do you have to say, Ben?
What?
What do you have to say?
Subway knows the way. Or do we know the way to the Subway?
No.
Ben Swallow.
Hashtag Ben Swallow.
They can refund the potatoes, but they just want to go for like they like this. They drove 9 hours. Hey, me.
What you got there?
I don't know. Some Germex in a bag.
My bag?
I traded 3 CNC figures.
It's my bag. That's all I had. You also got it on my figures. Yeah, you got it on some of my figs too. And on this base plate, which isn't mine though.
I was caught in the middle of a railroad track, and I knew there was no help for you. Okay, I'm done.
This is pro vlog material right here. Just chilling here at 11 o'clock on Friday night.
Oh shoot, my mom's not here. Oh, let's hop at. Let's hop. Come on. Give me a push.
He's drifting around.
He's coming around the mountain when he comes. Yeehaw! He'll be coming around the mountain when he comes. Yeehaw! He'll be coming around the mountain. He'll be coming around the mountain. He'll be coming around the mountain when he comes. Yeehaw! He'll be riding the fiery horses when he comes. Yeehaw! He'll be riding the horses when he comes. Push.
No.
Ready? Set.
Speed. Brickfair shenanigans. You gotta go around the table.
Bobsledding with Hunter.
You gotta go around the table.
We're training for the Olympics. Bobsledding. Push. Push. Go, go.
Let's get on there ourselves. Okay.
U.S. bobsled team. Hey, hey, hey. This kid's having fun around here. Yeah, make the fun.
Oh my God. Let go.
Lee just surfing at Brickfair. Oh God, we're on the run with Lee. Your turn. Turn.
So
We're
Hunter's
circling
leaving, but we're gonna do one more round. I think we put some on the back here.
Ready?
So basically, guys, I'm just it's midnight on Friday. It's almost Saturday right now. But I'm just placing figures. I'm gonna wait for CAC to open up in the morning, so I can get a few more weapons. But I'm gonna finishing this morning. But I just got a few more figures and the battle droids everywhere. I'm trying to get a rough scene going on here. And yeah, I got nominated for most iconic mock, which is it's really awesome. So yeah, I didn't actually get this all done yet, but it'll all be complete for Brickfair, Virginia. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna help my dad and Chris. I just knocked this thing down, but I'm gonna go help my dad and Chris build this mock. It's gonna be like where they have like 2 of the same set, and they're gonna like take part off and like so you can guess like what changed and stuff. So I'm gonna go help them build that. It's the Christmas Santa's workshop set from like last year, 2 years ago, something like that. And I'm skateboarding and I'm filming. So right now they turned off all the lights. It's 1 a.m. and just a few of the emergency lights off. Everybody just left. Abby Dable's just left. I'm here with Chris, and I just edited this picture of Ethan's trees. We took a picture of the trees, and I photoshopped like the trees not there since he like spent so much time on the trees and stuff, and like they already fell down. So like we're gonna send him the picture and see if he freaks out. So we'll get that. You can see it right there, the picture, like the trees not there. I photoshopped out the trees, so we'll see how this goes. Did you send it yourself?
I didn't send it yet.
Oh, you didn't send it? Okay, yeah, you can go send it now. But yeah, this is it for this video. I also got Harambe in my hat now, so yeah. I don't know if I showed this, but I got this turbo tank sealed, $10. We were just cleaning up a little bit to make our display look a bit nicer for the public days, which is tomorrow, in just a few hours actually. So yeah, actually 7 hours, right? Something like that. We'll be back here in 7 hours. But yeah, so thanks for watching this day 2 of Brickfair, Virginia 2018, guys. And yeah, I'll see you at day 3, first public day of Brickfair next time. So yeah, bye.